Thank you very much. Some of you have joined. Very great. That are you hearing me? Who have joined?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Divash, Jagani, then Namrata Bashya, two have joined. Okay, I have to admit all. Okay, waiting room one. Could you join directly? Admit all. Okay. Okay. Six persons, including me, have joined. One person, please unmute and talk to me. Nikhil, you can talk to me. Nikhil, you can talk to me. Nikhil, are you
Yes, sir.
okay?
Yes,
It's
sir.
really, I am very much, thankful to all of you who have joined or joining because I didn't give any notice earlier. I just give 20 minutes notice and some of you have joined and in the group, Telegram group, nobody responded. I thought nobody is going to join me and it will be all flop. And it's sure that nobody give these types of notice. Notice should be given at least 8, 9, 10 hours in advance. But today suddenly I thought that I should meet and talk to you personally. Whatever be the problem, I want to talk. And I tried only. I tried, okay, let's see who are available. And all you all are people, you are very much interested doing all online studies, online anything. So I thought, let me see your smartness. See in the WhatsApp group, nobody has joined. That's good. Nobody has said that we are joining. Nobody is confirmed. But still, I have got some students here. I'm really happy. The total, how many students are there? In the meeting, five, including me. There are five students. Very, very nice, very nice. There are five students. Now, dear students, anyone can talk to me and anyone can unmute and talk to me, and otherwise you keep on muted. And from now onwards I feel sometimes I'll take online classes like this, also live classes, so that you can ask the questions directly. And when I send the videos, I think some of you cannot see, or I think you're not getting that much of charming looking at the video only, isn't it? So so I decided that way, but my notice has been given so, uh, first instant. So no problem. Let's join, and how many can join? We should see today, and we shall talk to you. What is your problem? And from now onwards, I'll be taking frequent classes online. Hope you like it. Hope you like it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Because this,
Yes, sir.
okay,
Yes,
fine, fine.
sir.
Okay, fine. I don't know how many can be joining today, how many can join, I don't know. But no way, no problem. Let's start from certain point. And this is a very much surprise or pleasant surprise. Would you say it is a pleasant surprise? Write in the chat box. Please use your chat box also. Chat box. You please write PS if it is pleasant surprise. Write PS. PS. If you find it a pleasant surprise, please write in the chat box PS. Yeah, 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 yeah. Very good, very good, very good. Sweetie, very good. Divas, very good. Sahil, Namrata Vaishya, very good. You're responding very nicely, and some more students are uh, being admitted. And let me see how many can be accommodated. It's a 45 hours meeting, and it, let's see how much you can go. You can go, no problem. No hard and fast rule, but we shall start. Now, let's see more students. One student may start speaking to me, like whatever problem you face these days during COVID, because all classes we are managing online. But in spite of that, you sometimes cannot join, cannot see. Online means not live classes. All classes, these are all video recording or audio recording or PDF file. We are limited to that much only. But do you think sometimes that we should go by these steps of live classes where face-to-face interaction is possible with the teacher and the student? Do you like it? Do you like it? You can write in the chat box. You can write, then I'll get to know your mind. Which I also want to know your mind. Please write in the chat box. Yes, if you like it. Sometimes we'll go. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Shahil, fine. So if some students write it, so I'll get. Yeah, it's more. Yes, Divash, it is looking more easy. Very good, very good, very good, very good. So I've got to know your mind. I'll try to know your mind also, because in HS first year A section I should take some classes and other section also sometimes. But in section second year, I've not met you. You've not met me face to face. So I'm trying to do that now. And today, don't take any stress, any tension, what topic and what and all. Today I'll just, it's a informal class. You can unmute and tell me your problems, your opinions, and how it can be done, all these things. And then I'll continue that way. Next time this online, I'll be supplying much earlier. And I know in your group there are, I think, how many students are there? Please write in the chat box. How many students are there? Total students, I think 400 plus. Do you know all the sections put together? How many students are there? Please write in the chat
Sir,
box.
roll number is still 415, but students are left and now remaining is 357 total student is.
Students left means left from the college.
Yes, sir, from the college.
Okay, they might have taken some other. They might have taken some other this thing, other college, other institution. Anyway, so 357 students already are there. I don't think Zoom can
No,
cover
sir,
up
in group there are 312.
312.
Yes, sir, in group there are 312.
Okay, in Telegram group.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah, but maybe yes, Telegram group. Telegram group students are Telegram group. It's not coming. Something is going connecting. So yeah, like that only. So 312. Correct. You are correct, Sahil. 312 students are there totally, and today now 41 are online. So today you tell me please what your problem, and you give me some suggestions, sir. It would be nice if you do this way like that. Sometimes I'll be giving you YouTube channel or YouTube this things video, but sometimes I want to take this way. I want to have some interaction. Even last year also I did with HS secondary students, lot of these types of classes in Zoom and Google Meet. And I admire your smartness really, because you have joined in such short notice. Please, one by one, give me some ideas that you're liking these types of classes, isn't it? That's why you've joined. Is also that's why you've joined. Fine. Now you tell me. Now you tell me today what item I should discuss with you. Any one item you tell me, because it's totally unprepared from your side. You tell me. Let us stick to partnership only. Anyone can unmute to tell me what is partnership. Please, one line only. Anyone. I'll not point out that way. Please just tell me what is partnership. Just one line. Who will tell me?
Sir,
Yeah.
when two or more persons agree to share the profits of the business carried on by all or any one of them acting for all.
Very good. Very good. So there should be two or more persons. There should be two or more persons, that is confirmed. And you have to remember, you have to learn. I'll not teach you today details, but I'll ask you to do this and that. You have to learn what is the minimum number of members, that is two, you have already said, and what is the maximum number of members. Remember, in the partnership, there's no, it's not mentioned maximum, but in the Companies Act, it is mentioned earlier as per Companies Act 1956. It was how much? How many maximum? How
Sir,
many?
in general, there is 100 and banking 10.
Yeah, but Sahil, this is actually as per Companies Act 2013, and that should be. You are correct. You are 100% correct. But before
Sir,
2013,
50.
no, no. What Sahil is saying is right. No, you please verify these things. Okay, you please
Okay,
verify
sir.
this. See, I have told you I'm not going to teach you today anything. I just raise the points. I'll raise the doubts in your mind, and I'll ask you how to find those things. And this is the most important thing, that you come to know what you do not know. That's the most important thing. So Sweetie is saying 50, Shahil is saying 100. Please verify. Next class I'll be asking you again. But remember one thing, Sahil, you are correct that Companies Act 2030 is mentioning that it should be 100. But before that, Companies Act was 1956, and at that time it was 20. So this,
Sir,
yeah, Sahil, Sahil, please tell me.
no, sir, I thought you are asking about Companies Act 2013.
Okay, no, you were right. That you were right. 100, right? Maximum.
Yes, sir, for general,
Yeah. And for banking,
10.
okay. But before before 2013, Sahil, there was another Companies Act 1956. We learned that. According to that act, maximum was 20. That is earlier. Now, please tell me if there is, see, whatever coming to my without planning. Hope you should enjoy these things. Even you don't know what is discussing, what will be discussed, and even I don't know. But we know we'll be discussing something around partnership. So in partnership, there should be an agreement. There's no doubt about it. There should be an agreement. And agreement may be written, agreement may be oral. Agreement may be written, agreement may be oral. And this agreement, when it is written, it is verbal, means oral, it is verbal. It can be done. But if it is written form, if it is written form, what is it called? Written form, what is it called?
Partnership
So
deed.
Partnership deed.
Very good, very
Partnership.
good. So you are clear about it. You have already learned from the study contents given by myself and other teachers. Madam, sir, you know it very good. Now, there will be another question. What are the contents of Partnership Act? This is a very important question. You please prepare this question. I'm just giving you guidance. What are the contents of Partnership deed? And there may be a question, what is partnership deed? I am talking about HS second year examination. And dear students, I want to tell you um, from the core of my heart one thing. See, exams are not being held. In first year, you didn't have an exam. In second year, may not be there exam. Your exam, you don't know, I don't know, it will be held or not. But what matters most is that you please study regularly. Exams is held or not held, please, I advise you to study regularly. Why, this pandemic will be over sometimes. Let us expect will be going off and normal days will be coming. And that time you shall be asking for job, you shall be searching job in different companies or wherever it may be. And the need of the company, need of the corporate sector, the need of the institution will demand that you know these things. At that time, nobody will excuse you that you don't know because of coronavirus to get the job. It will not be like that. So please keep on studying, and we teachers are helping you. We are always with you. So you learn what is partnership deed and what are the different contents of partnership. This is a very important question. And remember, partnership deed is an agreement, and there may not be a written agreement also. And in partnership, lots of points are given. Different points are given. These are uh, contents of partnership deed. Fine. These are given. You have to mention these. You have to make the agreement. Your partners of 4-5 persons, you are making the agreement. And that agreement, you put how much money, who will pay, who are the partners, what are their address, what is the name of the partnership, and then how the profit will be shared, whether any partner will be getting salary or not. See, I'm talking you very briefly. You learn nicely, perfectly, and make note. But I'm saying just in a free way. So how many partner? What will be the share of profit? And if there is any partner who will be getting salary, then mention he will be getting salary, why he will be getting salary, all these things you write in the agreement. And maybe if there is a partner working extra, because now Sahil said or someone said, no, what is the definition of partnership? Then you say that in the definition of partnership, you say that any one of them acting for all. Any one of them means all the partners may work, but any of the partners may also work. So any of them working for all. There may be 7 people doing the partnership, and suppose one person is doing most of the work and other people are not very much working. So the person who is doing more of the work, let him get some commission, let him get some salary. So these things will be written in the agreement. These things will be written in the agreement. Now, as per partnership deed, you have decided that profits will be shared between suppose between 5% in 2:2, 3:2, 2:1, like that. Some ratio is given in the agreement. So profit or loss will be shared that agreement. But suppose in the agreement, there's no mention about how the profit will be shared. Nothing is mentioned about how the profit will be shared. Then what you shall do? Tell me now. Hope you got my question situation. In the
Sir,
agreement,
they will share profit equally.
who is saying? Sweetie saying? Who is
Yes,
saying?
sir.
Okay, Sweetie. Very good. So they will be sharing profits equally. Very good. And even in your examination, there may be some questions. And in the question, it may not be written that profit sharing ratio. Suppose 3 partners are there, Ram, Sham, and Hari are partners. Their capital is given, their drawings given, their everything given. But it's not mentioned how they will be sharing the profits. So you shall solve the question on equal basis. I mean, share of the profit will be equally. Now, if I ask you, Sweetie, why equally? What will be your answer? Why equally?
Because, sir, it is not mentioned in the partnership deed.
Okay, very nice answer. But if it is not mentioned in the partnership deed, then why equally? Who told you that it should be equally? This is an interesting question. Anyone can answer, please. Interesting question. Just write that it will be equally, but why equally?
So it is mentioned in the Partnership Act.
Tonu, very good. Your name is Tonu or Tanu? How is pronounced?
Sir, Sir Tanushree.
Tanushree, very nice. So, very good clarification you've given, and everybody shared this clarification, and that is good when you go by online. See, I make a lot of YouTube videos and all, but I'm not also satisfied with these things because students don't get that much of charming actually. But see, you have to go by that also. There's no way out. You have to go. But when is this way, life is a better thing. So you say this way, if the profit sharing ratio is not mentioned in the partnership deed, then profits will be shared as per Partnership Act 1932. And the Act of 1932 says that profits will be shared equally. That is the clarification. That way. Very good pointing out. And then suppose there is a, in a Partnership Act, you can write anything you like, but nothing should be unlawful. Remember, your business should not be unlawful, or nothing should be unlawful. That's a point you have to remember. Anyway, so in the partnership deed, you have written then Ram will be getting this, Ram will be getting this, and you have written all partners will be getting suppose 5% interest on capital. Fine. Suppose in a question or in the partnership agreement, sometimes there is no mention about how much will be the interest on capital, and nothing is mentioned about interest on capital will be given or not given. Then what you shall do in the question? Nothing is mentioned about the interest on capital. Then what you should do? Will you give interest on capital?
Yes, sir.
Rate
No,
of
sir.
interest on capital is not mentioned in the question. Will you give?
No, sir.
No, definitely no. It is not given in the agreement. So how you shall clarify who told you no, then your clarification will be same way, that if it is not mentioned in the partnership agreement, then it will be decided by the provisions of Partnership Act 1932. And in the Partnership 1932, nothing is mentioned about interest on capital, right? That is the thing. So
Yes, sir.
that is the clarification. Now, after this, see, I'm taking it very lively. I'm talking to you very lively. I'm not going anything formally. You'll be enjoying these things, but all formal answers are available in your books and everywhere. But I want to talk to you very informally. I've told about 2 points here. Number one, say profit sharing ratio, if not given in the question, what you shall do. And in the question means in the partnership deed, not given what to do. And then even salary. Suppose nothing is mentioned about salary in the question. Will you give salary to any partner?
No, sir.
No,
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 sir.
no. Exactly, absolutely true. Why no? Because Partnership Act, in the Partnership Act, nothing is mentioned about salary. So definitely here a question will come, if there is no partnership deed, then in the absence of partnership deed, what are the rules applicable? And in the absence of partnership deed, Partnership Act will do the work of the these points which are silent. And what are the points? What are the points which are applicable in absence of partnership deed? This is a very important question. You have to learn it for two purposes. Number one, it may be state the rules which are applicable in absence of partnership agreement. If there is no partnership agreement, what are the rules? Still, you can go by partnership. If there's no partnership deed, I mean, nothing is written, then what you should do? So you should definitely say, sir, we shall go by Partnership Act of 1932. So what are the points like this? You should be going. Here I mentioned two. What are the points? There's a list. So can anybody tell me what are the rules applicable? One or two, 3 points like that. Anybody can tell me? You got my question? What are the rules applicable in absence of partnership deed? Like this.
Sir, all partners share profits equally.
Point number one. Okay. No partner will get?
Interest on capital.
Good. Salary, anybody?
Partners are not entitled to get any remuneration like salary.
Very good. Commission, etc. Very good. So let me not, because it's a compact class today, I'm touching many points and no point I'm going into details because it's available with you. I'm just asking you whether you are learning or not. So you learn this question, please, you learn this question. But one more point I have to mention here, that regarding interest on capital, I have to mention one particular point here. Okay, you just tell me, my voice is completely audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Completely,
Okay, very good,
sir.
very good, very good. So suppose there is no mention about any, there nothing is mentioned about the interest on capital. See the point. Nothing is mentioned about interest on capital. Now, one partner, all partners have given their agreed capital. All partners have supplied their agreed capital. They've given their agreed capital and this capital is recorded and it's going on. And nothing is mentioned about interest on capital. Now, one partner has given additional capital to the partnership firm, extra money. As per agreement or as per some between that partner and the firm, there's some agreements that if partnership is suffering for money for finance, we want finance. One partner is saying, okay, I have got 2 lakh rupees in hand, I can give it. So now this person is giving 2 lakh rupees to the partnership firm as a loan, which is not part of the capital. You can say extra capital, additional capital, you can say best partners loan. So what justice you shall be doing to him regarding interest?
Sir, 6% per annum providing interest.
Very good. So if nothing is mentioned about the interest, then also you're going to give him 6% interest per annum. If anybody has given extra money apart from his capital. See, live class, this is live class. Suppose here now 12 persons are there, including myself, 11 students are there. And now suppose one student does not know a particular answer, but another student is answering. So that student will remember it. He will learn. He will learn it from this group. So that's the benefit of these types of classes. Now, who replied it 6% interest? Who replied? Please name. Your name
Sir.
is D. What is your full name?
It's a Divas Devani.
Divas Devani. Okay. Okay, Divas. But if it is in, in 1932, look back in 1932, beyond accountancy, when India was free, 1947, right? In 1932, India was not independent. Movement was going on, freedom movement was going on. At that time, we were under British rule. So this Act of 1932 was passed in British period. So at that time, a question is the percentage that divorce says 6%. What was this percentage in England, Great Britain? Same question. What was the percentage in Great Britain? Can you tell me that? In India, it is 6%. If nothing is mentioned about interest on extra money to the partner, it's 6%. Very good. But what is this percentage in England? Anybody? Yes, it's 5%. I don't know why. It's 5%. I don't know why. Anyway, remember, don't ask me, sir, why are you talking about England also? See, your brain has lost of capacity. There's no problem about space. The more you know, better for you. But in India, for India, you write 6%. Now, my next question. In the question, see, when I say question, I see in the partnership deed. It's all the same. In the partnership deed or in your question, it is mentioned that one partner has advanced or given additional capital or loan to the firm. And in the agreement, in the partnership deed, it is mentioned that that person will be getting 7% interest on additional capital. Then what you shall do is mentioned. If nothing is mentioned, that 6% you say. But if it is mentioned 7%, then what you will do?
Sir, he will
Sir,
get
7%.
7% interest on loan.
Very good, Suti. Very good. Because if anything is mentioned in the partnership deed, you go by partnership deed. If anything is not mentioned, nothing is mentioned, then you go by 6%. So, dear students, within 10 minutes we're running short of time. The meeting will be ending 10 minutes. Upgrade now. Okay, I'm not going to upgrade. Remove 40 minutes. Time limit is there. No problem. Today 40 minutes sufficient. We are having 10 minutes in hand because you started at 8:30. You're going up to 9:10. So no issue. Let it be okay. Let it be over. We are having 10 minutes in time, and last 5 minutes I'll be even taking your feedback. But before that, so yes, if it is mentioned that 7%, 8%, 2%, you go by partnership agreement. I said about if nothing is mentioned, that comes under the rules applicable in absence of partnership deed. Is it in that list? Next class, I'll be asking you this question. I'll be asking you anyone. So all the points of rules which are in absence of partnership deed, please go by that and keep ready that. And I can say you can use me any way you like. I can go by practical, so I can show you a practical, solve your practical to the extent possible. And I may discuss with these types of tricky questions, these types of tricky points and your clarifications. Of course, your queries, I'll be dealing with all these queries as far as possible. And I'll be with you. Don't worry, I'll be with you. Now, dear students, we are having 7-8 minutes time. You can tell me about your feedback today, please. Your feedback that you joined surprise way, that you discussed it way. How did you find it? Please, one by one, tell me 1 minute or 30 seconds. Now we are having 10 students here. Very good number. One by one, you give me your feedback about today's class, because this will help me to prepare next class. Please speak out one by one.
Ye- Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. It was a pleasant surprise, sir. But it is very nice also, sir. Today, surprisingly, and sir, I think, sir, you should go like this only in future also, sir. Like one day a week.
Sure. Sure. At least one day week I'll be with you. This way, at least I told you. But always you can have me with you because I'm a teacher in the college. As my it's my duty, responsibility, and part of hobby also to be with my students. Anyway, any one more student, please tell me. By the time it is finished, you please give me your feedback 30 seconds. Sumi, please.
Sir, it's nice because in that live class we can directly consult with you the queries face to face. So it's good.
See, whatever I have discussed you today, and I also not taken any book and nothing else. I'm just blank this way, open. I'm discussing you, but I'm very much concentrated to you, to the topic, and you also concentrated. And that way I have discussed. And see, whatever I included in this 40-minute time, if I make a video, it will take a lot of time again. And so many things I have put here in a compact way, small way. So I think it will be helpful. Thank you very much, Sahil. One more person, please. Next, please give me your views.
So there were many
Namrata,
things that I
connectivity
didn't know and
problem.
I
Yes.
came to know today.
Yeah, Namrata, please tell me.
Okay. So, sir, so I came to know today those things from all.
Which things?
There were many things that I didn't know. So I
Okay.
came to know about it today.
Okay,
So
very
like
good.
the one you said,
One I said about.
so
Okay.
the one you said about the act, the 1932 and 2013. That who said that answer? Nikhil.
Oh yeah.
The
I
first
think.
question,
Oh yeah.
that
100,
members or
120.
2013.
Yeah.
That one.
And
I
thank you.
was
So she
even I was
surprised.
confused about it, and I got clear today. So
Very
it
nice.
was good.
Very nice. I am very much happy that you are learning, and if you join, this will be definitely helpful to you. And I'm very happy that you are learning a lot of things. And definitely, if I take couple of classes, you'll find it wow, very good. We are getting a lot of things. And if you know it already, it will be revised. It will build your confidence. Please, one more person. We're having some minutes still. We shall go up to 9, 10. After that, you go for dinner. Okay. Please tell me one
So
or
this
two. Yeah.
class is so much interesting, and we have got some extra knowledge like England,
Okay,
as you
5%.
told about interest.
Yeah. And I
Yes,
asked you
sir.
to visualize the period when partnership.
And the way,
Yeah.
yes, sir.
Yes, Sweti.
And
Continue.
the way, sir, you are teaching is very good. And thank you so much. We are grateful to you.
Thank you. Thank you very much. You give me some gift. You have to give me some gift, all of you. And gift will be your result. That result I'm expecting from that gift, right? And I'll be doing each and everything for you from my capacity. But you have to gift me your very good result. Try to do that, and don't worry. And next, anybody, please. We're having still 5 minutes time. Let's use it. After this, go for dinner. Please pick out. No problem. Sir, sorry, my feedback looks somewhat rude as no now I reflected on that. What is your feedback? Rude? I don't. Sorry if my feedback looks somewhat rude, as I know I reflected on that. Divorce, please tell me. I don't know why is anything rude. Divorce, please speak out. I want to know what you want to say. Divorce.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, sir, at that time, sir, I said you should, sir, but I should not use that word. I can request to you, sir. Sorry, sir, for that.
What you said?
Sir, on that time, sir, I mistakenly said that you should do class, so that I should not talk that like now. I should tell that I request you to. So that's why.
Divorce point number one, I didn't notice it. And divorce point number two, I don't mind it because I know the most important thing that I am having with you, the breeze between you and me is that is love. Respect and other things are there, but I love my students, you love your teachers. So I know you are not saying anything rude. Don't worry, don't worry. And you have said it, expressed yourself, don't worry. It's very good. And you liked it. Very good. Thank you very much, Divash. We are having still 3 minutes
Thank
time.
you.
Anyone may talk, please. Still 3 minutes time. I want to know your feedback only in brief, please. Please, anyone, please. Sahil. Sahil or anybody.
Yes, sir.
Please tell me your feedback in 30 seconds. This will help me to make the matter better next classes. जो भी आपका महसूस हुआ इस क्लास के बारे में, एक तो सरप्राइजिंग था, एक तो मैं बताया भी नहीं कि गूगल मीट होगा ना, जूम होगा ना, क्या वेबएक्स होगा, कुछ नहीं बताया, ऐसे दे दिया विदाउट कॉन्टेक्टिंग एंड जॉइंड. आई एम रियली वेरी वेरी हैप्पी दैट सम ऑफ यू जॉइंड इट. साहिल, आपका कुछ बताओ, 2 मिनट बाकी है. 1 minute.
Sir, I told sir that
Oh,
it's
you
nice.
told. Okay, fine. So anybody who didn't tell, please tell. Please tell. You should know these types of reacting, these types of speaking. You should learn these things. Very essential. Please, anyone. No one is interested now? Okay, anyway, just whenever I take this class or any class is there, no, you give fullest of attention and concentration. Next class I'll be talking to you about how to concentrate, because concentration matters most. Without concentration, you cannot do anything in this world. I tell it in the class also. So concentration matters most. So before end the class, please write in the chat box CMM. Please write in the chat box CMM. Concentration matters most. Please write CMM. Concentration matters most. Please write CMM. Those who are available, please write CMM. Concentration matters most. Concentration matters most. Very good. Very good. So I'm really very happy today to listen to you and talking to you also. Next class, I'll be giving you prior information. And I don't think 300 people can join in this free Google Meet.